Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about some of the stocks right now that I'm swing trading and kind of my strategy behind them. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. It will be the first link down below. We have a whole segment on swing trading, dividends, taxes, pretty much everything you need to know for investing or trading in the stock market. So go ahead and check it out, and you guys can use code TRADING to get 50% off the course, and this is only valid till the end of the year. So at least sign up right now so you guys can get it at a discount. So now let's jump into it, roll that intro, let's go, come on. Bam. Alrighty guys, so the very first stock here is ticker symbol PLTR. Now this is a very fast growing company. This is a software company that is rated to grow 50% next year. So this company has a ton of short and long-term potential. So I got in right now at $26 for a possible swing trade. I could end up holding this for a little long-term investment, depending on kind of what's going on with the stock here. But you guys can see this green line is this overall trend line. So we have an upward trend, and the company is actually very strong. We have increasing revenue. We have analysts thinking that it can grow another 50% next year. So that's huge things for this company. Not to mention, every time that this stock has hit this overall trend line, we get buying pressure. So buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. Comes in contact, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, and now buying pressure. So I do think there's a possible swing trade from at least $26 to $28 to $29. So pretty much a $3 gap, and you could set your stops right below this overall trend line at 25. So you're risking $1 to make $3. I think that's a perfect risk and reward ratio. Not to mention, if we get a breakout of 28 and 29, the next resistance is all the way up here at 31 and then 33. So if we get a breakout of 29, it could easily go back up to 31 to even $33 a share. I think that this stock is very undervalued right now for the whole market we are in. There's a ton of software and tech stocks that are exploding in value. And I think that this one has kind of been underwashed by Wall Street, and it's very undervalued for the short and long term. So 26 is going to be, the entry, and my stop is going to be around $25. So now the second stock here is ticker symbol VCH here. Now this stock, you guys can see it has very strong support at $4.80 and $5 a share. This was the one that I called out in the group chat, and you guys can see I got in at $5 and I'm holding right now at $5.15. I'm holding for a break of $5.30 for a run back up to these moving average lines at $5.36. Setting my stops right below the $5 mark, pretty much at $4.90. So risking 10 cents to make 40. So that's a 4 to 1 risk and reward. So, with swing trading, you always have to make sure you have your profit set so you know where you're going to be selling your stock. Now, VHC is probably the one that's going to be more of a bread and butter play compared to PLTR. That's going to be one that I could end up holding for the long term, if not, maybe a year or two. The reason why is because, I don't know much about VHC's fundamentals. I know that PLTR, I believe, is the PLTR. They have a ton of long-term potential. They are in one of the fastest growing sectors right now. So I do think we'll have a ton of momentum getting behind that stock. This one right here is just more of a swing trade that I see some value in here. But it's always smart, before you guys hold your long-term positions, make sure you guys have a base of ETFs, blue chip stocks, or even bonds. Have that defense. And before you guys even swing trade, make sure you guys have a solid strategy behind it. My strategy going into these stocks are stocks that are on their support, setting my stop right below it, maybe at 1%, making sure I have a 2 to 1, 3 to 1, or even 4 to 1 risk and reward. So risking $1 to make 4. So I could be wrong, 3-4 times and be right once and be profitable. That's pretty much swing trading in a nutshell, guys. That's why you guys have to understand your strategy, because your strategy could be completely different than mine. So these are some of the top stocks right now that I am swing trading. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode and I hope you guys learned something, because at the end of the day, that's all I really care about, is trying to give you guys as much education as I possibly can. So we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Have a good one.